Here are 4 amazing waterfalls for you to visit on the south coast of Iceland. Number 1. Skógafoss. You can walk all the way up to the foot of it or walk up the stairs and check it out from above. Skógafoss also marks the beginning of Fimmvörðuháls hiking trail, which leads all the way to the epic highlands area Thorsmörk, the Valley of Thor. You can walk the beginning of the trail and admire countless waterfalls upstream from Skógafoss. Number 2. Kvernufoss. This waterfall is located next to Skógafoss and requires a short hike of around 15 minutes depending on conditions. In the summertime, you are able to walk behind the waterfall as well. Number 3. Gljúfrabúi. This name can be translated to gorge dweller, which is very accurate as the waterfall is nestled in a cave. There might be a bit of a line to get into the cave, but you rarely have to wait for long as most people only stay in there for 5 minutes or so to take a photo. Make sure you wear waterproof boots and suit up in waterproof trousers and a waterproof jacket as well. You get completely soaked when visiting this waterfall, but it's worth it. Number 4. Seljalandsfoss. This waterfall is a true classic and one of the most popular places to visit on the south coast of Iceland. Just like Kvernufoss, you can walk behind Seljalandsfoss. And just like Gljúfrabúi, it's a really good idea to suit up in waterproof outerwear, as Seljalandsfoss has an impressive splash zone. Be aware that during winter, the trail to walk behind Seljalandsfoss might be closed. If you love waterfalls, you can visit all these 4 places in a day, which makes the south coast a favorite destination among many travelers. Save this video so you remember these 4 beautiful waterfalls for your Iceland adventure.